Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on branding in Mailerlite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To enable Mailerlite branding in your emails or landing pages, you just have to follow these simple steps. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the account settings that is found on the left side panel of your dashboard. Now from here, hover down below and you would see there is an option here that says Mailerlite branding. Now if you switch it to the right side to turn it on, it will appear at the bottom of your emails, forms, and landing pages. All right, and then click the save changes. And from here, the next thing is I want you to go to the back to dashboard, because having turned on your Mailerlite branding, I want you to go to the forms if you have that, or create a campaign if you want. From here, we can start creating a campaign, landing pages that the Mailerlite branding is already included. You can choose from any of the following campaigns. For example, a regular campaign would do. We can put in the campaign name. For example, this is going to be this. All right, you can select all of the active subscribers, click on select, and then click the next content. For example, we're going to be choosing some of the template gallery that we want, or we can start from scratch if you want. All right. If you click the start from scratch, what will happen is drag and drop editor, click this continue. You will be forwarded to this section. Takes a little while. Now, once you are in the campaign builder, you can have the option to change all the information here. Change of the different color. But one thing is, when you turn on the Mailerlite branding, at the bottom you would see there is a Mailerlite logo, which is going to be included for all your campaigns here. If you want to choose from a different background image, right, let's select this instead. All right, tap. You can fill if you want, or fit if you want it, depending on your preferences. Right, you can now click the done editing, click on save, and that's how you turn on the branding, enabling you to use the Mailerlite logo on different campaigns and forms and landing pages here in this platform. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.